Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and the topic of discussion is coordinate geometry. This is the third video on this topic. In the earlier two videos, we discussed the concepts and hot questions dealing with examination oriented problems. In this particular video, we focus on MCQ problems. Pay attention here students and be ready with pen and paper. In the first problem, we need to find the distance of point P whose coordinates are 5 and 12 from the origin. So what are the coordinates of the origin? The coordinates of the origin are 0 and 0. So we need to find distance between 2 points P 5, 12 and origin 0, 0. We can use the distance formula. We know that if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are 2 points, distance between them will be x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square in square root. So we'll just substitute here x1 y1 will take it as 0 and 0 origin and x2 y2 will take it as 5 and 12. We'll substitute in this equation. So OP origin point is O and distance between P OP equal to x2 square plus y2 square. X2 is 5, 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, sum is 169, square root of that will be 13. The correct option is C. The distance between points A whose coordinates are A plus B and A minus B and B whose coordinates are A minus B and minus A minus B is, again we can use the distance formula here. Here x1 is A plus B, y1 is A minus B, x2 is A minus B and y2 is minus A minus B. We will substitute in the distance formula. So AB will be x2 is A minus B minus x1. x1 is A plus B but it is in minus sign, so it will be minus A minus B. That's what we have written here, minus A minus B the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Y2 is minus A minus B we have written, then minus of y1, so it will be minus A plus B, minus A plus B. A and minus A will get cancelled, minus B is minus 2B, minus 2B the whole square is 4B square. Similarly minus B and plus B will get cancelled, minus A is minus 2A, minus 2A the whole square is 4A square. 4 can be taken as common and square root of 4 is 2. So it will be 2 square root A square plus B square. So option B is the correct answer. If A by 3, 4 is the midpoint of the segment joining the points P minus 6, 5 and R minus 2, 3, then we need to find the value of A. So what is the midpoint formula? If we know 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 are 2 coordinates or 2 points whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the midpoint of the line joining them it will be x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula we use called as the midpoint formula in coordinate geometry. So we know x1 is this, y1 is this, x2 is this, y2 is this. So we'll just substitute that. So minus 6 minus 2 divided by 2 will be x coordinate, y1 plus y2 that is 5 plus 3 by 2. So minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 by 2 which is minus 4. 5 plus 3 by 2, 8 by 2 which is 4. So the midpoint is minus 4, 4. But it is given that the midpoint is A by 3, 4. So we will write it like this. A by 3 is minus 4. A by 3 is minus 4. So A is cross multiplying, we get A as minus 12. The correct option is A. The coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. AB is the diameter of a circle. We have drawn a circle. AB is the diameter and whose center is 2 minus 3. So C is the center of the circle and B's coordinate is 1, 4. B's coordinate is 1, 4. We need to find the coordinate of A. We need to find the coordinate of A. So let the coordinate of A be X and Y. So we know from the midpoint formula X plus coordinate of B, X plus 2 by X plus 1 by 2. This is the coordinate of B. This is the center. So X plus 1 by 2. A coordinate is xy, B coordinate is 1, 4. So we are trying to find the coordinate of C. So X plus 1 by 2 and Y plus 4 by 2. This is the midpoint. But this midpoint is given as 2 comma minus 3. So we will write as 2 comma minus 3. So from this comparison we can get X and Y. In this, how to compare it? X plus 1 by 2 is 2 and Y plus 4 by 2 is minus 3. So X plus 1 by 2 is 2 means cross multiplying X plus 1 will be 4, X will be 3. Similarly, Y plus 4 by 2 equal to minus 3, Y plus 4 will be minus 6 and minus 4, Y will be minus 10. So the correct option is 3 minus 10. This is the coordinate of A. A line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at point A and B respectively. So at A it is intersecting the y-axis. Y-axis intersecting means x coordinate is 0 in y-axis. So coordinate of A will be 0 comma y. Similarly, when it intersects the B-axis, y coordinate will be 0 on x-axis. So coordinate of B will be x comma 0. If 3 minus 2 is the midpoint of AB, let C be the midpoint, then we need to find the coordinate of A and B. Basically, we want to find x and y. Again, we can use the midpoint formula. X plus 0 divided by 2 is the x coordinate of C. Y plus 0 by 2 will be the y coordinate of C. That's what we have written, x plus 0 by 2 comma y plus. This is the coordinate of C. But it is given that this coordinate of C is 3 minus 2. It is given here in the problem. So we will again compare. We will compare x plus 0 by 2 equal to 3 and y plus 0 by 2 equal to minus 2. So this is x by 2 equal to 3. So x will be 6. Y by 2 will be minus 2. Y will be minus 4. So the coordinates will be 0, minus 4 and 6, 0. So these are the coordinates of A and B. AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are A 0, 3, O 0, 0 and B 4, 0. The length of its diagonal is, here only three vertices are given. Let us plot that. A0, 3, A0, 3 is this point on the y-axis. O0, 0 is the origin. So AO and B is 4, 0 on the x-axis. Similarly, we can draw C. The length of the diagonal is this, AB. The two coordinates are given, A and B coordinates are given, and that is the length of the diagonal. And we can again use the distance formula to get the diagonal length. So what is the length of AB? 4 minus 0 the whole square, and similarly 0 minus 3 the whole square. So 9 plus 16, 25, 25 square root is 5. Since we are always taking the square term here. Whether we take 4 minus 0 or 0 minus 4, it will not matter. You can take any one, like 3 minus 0 or 0 minus 3, because any negative number will be positive in any case. So both ways it can be taken. Now AB is 5. The correct option is A. The point on the x-axis, which is equidistant from 7, 6 and minus 3, 4 is. Now 2 points are given. Let it be A 7, 6 we have written here and B as minus 3, 4. The point on the x-axis, is x0. Let it be that point P. Now this P is equidistant from A and B. So AP is equal to BP, or we can write AP square equal to BP square. So what is AP square? AP square is x minus 7 square plus 0 minus 6 square. Now this is equal to BP square, which is x minus 3, x plus 3 square plus 0 minus 4 square. So LHS, RHS, when we expand, we get x square minus 14x plus 85 equal to x square plus 6x plus 25. X square term will get cancelled. X term will take on one side and constant term on others. Will get 20x equal to 60. So x will be 3. The correct option is 30, or option D is the correct. In the next problem, we have to plot the points A minus 50, B 50 and C 03 as vertices of a triangle. The triangle is, so let us plot this. So A minus 50, this is the origin. So on the left side, we have to go 5 units and plot A minus 50. Similarly, B 50 is on the right side of the x-axis. So it will be B 50. After making 5 units, we will draw the point or make the point B. So A and B both will be on the x-axis. Similarly, C03, it means it is on the x is 0, so it means it is on the y-axis. So C03 is this. What we observe? We observe from the symmetry that AC is equal to BC. However, it is not equal to AB because AB is 10 units. It is much bigger. So only two sides are equal. So what type of triangle it will be? It will be an isosceles triangle. What is equilateral? Equilateral is having all three sides equal. Isosceles is having two sides equal. Scalene means all sides are different. None of the side is equal. Right angle triangle, you know, in which one of the angle is 90 degrees. The correct option is B here. With this, friends, we conclude this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you very much, friends.